Yo, so this video we talking about motherfucking credit and YouTube, right? Why those like how to build your personal brand YouTube channel. Alright, so you wanna create videos that other people are making that already have market demand. This is how you organically grow your market demand. You wanna create videos that other people are making that already have shown market demand. So you just recreate it with a variable, and you are you, so it's already different. Boom, building your credit. Once you get the IRS, so proprietorship, yeah, doing business as EIN number, you go to American Express and Chase and Preferred personal guarantee credit card that you're gonna get like around 50K from both sides, and credit unions giving out the most, like like SECU credit union. What you wanna do is go to you wanna get all of this and promote yourself. Like this one's fire. So everybody can start getting traction for your channel. Like you promoting yourself, your offer to the right audience. Credit unions giving out the most. Look for on personal. They're just more you're throwing more money than the regular ones. So you wanna go for them. And then you probably get a account. Look, get a account. Boom. Promote yourself. You can do an umbrella of this too. You can get high rolls. So you have all that credit you build and all those YouTube videos you built. They already gain like some organic traction, if any. And then you can also juice it, like put the credit to promote it to people who made those other similar videos. And then you'll put your video in front of their video. You can make like pre-rolls, like if you want to learn whatever the hell they was talking about, check yeah, you can learn that. But anyway, check out my video so you can learn that, and then you just filtering everybody who's about to watch their video to go to you, and then whatever offer you got. Yup. And then there you go. Now you're getting views from that ad. You're getting the monetization crap. You don't need that. It's about like having your product, having products that you can sell, like from ClickBank. It could be a crypto product. You did market research. Alright, he's actually telling people something cool, and then you're getting a kickback. And most preferably your product, and then you're promoting your channel credit, and you can track it with this. Scale further with AI, the credit cards you got from credit unions. So credit just boosted you up, like so for your YouTube channel. That's why I see you can create half a thousand to 1,000 videos too, organically, of like videos that already have market demand. You created a variable, you're gonna pop. Like when you use credit, you could tell people like it could be like channels in your niche. You create a pre-roll ad, like where you want to make it catchy, like so yeah, you want to watch this and that video about this, right? Yo, check out my channel, subscribe to my channel. It could be a pre-roll ad like that, like something catchy, and you gaining subscribers. And then you could also put like whatever channel videos they got. You could be like, yeah, so you want to learn about this video, but anyway, you want to learn more about this video, check out my videos on my channel. You could put like a playlist right there on YouTube through Google AdWords. You hijacking other people's audience before they get it through a pre-roll ad. And then now you're getting subscribers and you're getting views from credit. That's how you juice your shit from organic too. Like, and then your offer in the back end is what's gonna make it all profitable for you. It's not AdWords. It's offers that's making it profitable. So there you go. That's the credit and the YouTube channel thing I'm talking about. For everybody on the channel, like I recommend y'all do that. That's the best. Two side hustle. Alright.